Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to begin with the second lecture of a chapter, that is Fundamentals of Organic Chemistry. Now let's begin with resonance effect. Simple definition of this resonance effect is a redistribution of electrons operating in unsaturated system via pi bonds is known as resonance effect. Means electron redistribution in unsaturated system via pi bond. Electron redistribution in unsaturated system means double bond via pi bond is known as a resonance effect. Many times properties of molecules cannot be explained by single structure. This can be explained by two or more individual structures which are interconvertible. The individual structures are called as resonance or canonical structures. Canonical structures are not real, that is, they are hypothetical, and the actual structure of molecule is hybrid of all such structures are known as resonance hybrid. Some examples of resonance. In this first example, C double bond O means carbonyl compound. In this carbon oxygen double bond consists of one sigma and one pi bond. This pi bond is weaker as compared to sigma. Electronegativity of oxygen is more as compared to carbon atom, means this bond is break by covalent bond, means pi bond is break by this oxygen towards this oxygen atom. This oxygen atom is negatively charged, carbon atom is positively charged. And last structure is partial bond for breaking and partial bond breaking. Structure means resonance hybrid, means oxygen is partial negative, carbon is partial positive. Structure first and second are canonical structures, and third structure is resonance hybrid structure. Second example is 2-butanol. In this example, carbon oxygen double bond and second is carbon carbon double bond. This carbon carbon and carbon oxygen double bonds are in conjugation. First of all, this carbon oxygen double bond, this pi bond is shifted towards oxygen atom, means oxygen is negatively charged, carbon is positively charged, and we get second structure. Then another resonance formings, this double bond means carbon carbon double bond is shifted towards carbon carbon single bond, means we get third structure. Then CH is partial positive, means positively charged. And last one is resonance hybrid structure, means bond formation and bond breaking is shown by dotted lines. Oxygen is partial negative, carbon is partial positive. Third example is phenol, and in phenol bond between O and H, breaking of bond between O and H gives phenoxide ion and H plus ion. This phenoxide ion means oxygen atom is negatively charged, is shifted towards carbon oxygen single bond, then carbon carbon double bond is shifted at ortho position, means we get negatively charged carbon in this structure second. Then delocalization of electron on benzene ring. Delocalization of electron on benzene ring means we get structure second, third, fourth and fifth. Structure first and fifth are same, both are phenoxide ions, but difference between these two structure is only carbon carbon single and double bond. Means in structure first, carbon carbon single bond and carbon carbon double bond, but in last structure, fifth structure, carbon carbon single and double bonds are alternate. A resonance hybrid of phenoxide ion, bond formation and bond breaking shown by dotted lines, means oxygen is partial negative, both ortho positions are partial negative, para position is also partial negative. Another example of resonance effect is aniline. This example is similar to phenoxide ion, means lone pair of nitrogen atom present on nitrogen atom is shifted towards single bond, then delocalization of electron at ortho and para positions. we get partial negative and partial negative charge on ortho position and para position. Then we get also resonance hybrid of aniline. One more example of resonance effect is nitrobenzene. This electron NO2 group is electron withdrawing group, an electron withdrawing group. This is a deactivating group. We get also resonance hybrid of nitrobenzene. In all these examples, electrons are redistributed in unsaturated system via pi bond. The next point is types of resonance effect. Similar to inductive effect, the resonance effect are also two types. Electron donating resonance effect means plus R effect. Some atoms or groups of atoms donate electron to the other part of the molecule by delocalization, have plus R effect. Simple example of plus R effect is OH, SH. This oxygen atom have two lone pair of electrons, sulfur have two lone pair of electrons, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are also examples of electron donating resonance effect. Second is electron withdrawing resonance effect, means minus R effect. Some atoms or groups of atoms pull electron towards them by delocalization, have minus R effect. A simple example is NO2, SO3H, SO2R, C double bond, O, C triple bond, N, COOH. These are the examples of resonance effect. The next point is conditions for resonance or delocalization. The first, the delocalization is possible only if the double bond and single bonds are alternate, means alternate single and double bond means conjugated compound is present, then delocalization is possible. Simple example is 1,3-butadiene. And in this reaction CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH, double bond CH. And in this example delocalization is possible. This is because both single and double bonds are alternate. But in case of 1,4-pentadiene, there is no delocalization, means no conjugation. This is because of two double bonds are separated by two single bonds. This compound is not conjugated and there is no delocalization. Similarly, if non-bonding electrons are involved, they should be conjugated to double bond, means atom with non-bonding electron should be connected to double bond through single bond. Simple example is aniline. Lone pair of electron present on this nitrogen atom is delocalized in the benzene ring. Means delocalization of nitrogen lone pair is possible. But in case of benzyl amine, phenyl ring CH2 then NH2, no delocalization of nitrogen lone pair. This is because of in between this NH2 and phenyl group, CH2 group is present, means this lone pair of electron present on nitrogen atom is not delocalized in benzene. But in case of aniline, lone pair of electron is delocalized in the benzene ring. Second condition for resonance is all the atoms or groups involved in delocalization should be in one plane. Means all atoms or groups involved in delocalization should be in one plane. If the planarity is lost, delocalization is not possible. Simple example is aniline, or so suppose this is example of benzene, aniline. In this benzene or aniline, all atoms taking part in resonance must lie in the same plane, means delocalization is possible. In case of aniline, lone pair of electron and phenyl ring is present in the same plane, means all atoms in aniline involved in delocalization should be in one plane. Third point is the orbitals containing the electrons for delocalization should be same size, same energy and shape. Simple example, fluorine have lone pair of electrons shifted in benzene ring. Means lone pair of electron, these are 2p orbitals and 2p orbital of carbon atom means both orbitals have same size, same shape, means 2p orbital. And delocalization of this lone pair of electron present on fluorine is possible. Fluorine uses its 2p electrons with carbon of the benzene ring, which also belongs to 2p orbitals. A resonance is effective. But in case of iodobenzene, lone pair of electron present on this iodine is not effectively delocalized. This is because of iodine means 5p orbital of iodine and 2p orbital of carbon for delocalization. This is less possible, and hence pulsar effect of iodine is very much less than that of fluorine. The next point is rules for writing the resonance. In order that we would write the resonance hybrid of molecules, the correct resonance structure of molecule, the following rules will help and guide in doing this. First rule is a resonance form exists only on paper. They have no real existence. First point is resonance form exists only on paper. They have no real existence, and the different resonance structures are interconvertible and shown by double-headed arrow. Simple example is benzene. These are the two structures of benzene. Both are interconvertible, means shown by double-headed arrow. Resonance form exists only on paper. There is no real existence. Second point is all atoms taking part in resonance must lie in the same plane. All atoms taking part. Same example is here, means benzene is also example of this second point, means all atoms taking part in resonance must lie in the same plane. Third rule is all resonance structures should have the same number of unpaired electrons. Suppose first structure is 1,3-butadiene, 0 unpaired electrons, and suppose bond breaking means pi bond is symmetrical breaking of covalent bond, means pi bond. This carbon-carbon double bond break by symmetrical manner, we get 4 unpaired electrons. But in case of CH, electron of both the CH groups forms pi bond, then CH2 have single electrons, means in final structure 2 unpaired electrons are present, but in initial structure 0 unpaired electron is there, means structure second is not a resonance structure of first. This is because of all resonance structures should have the same number of unpaired electron. दुसऱ्या स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये 2 अनपेड इलेक्ट्रॉन आहेत, पहिल्या स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये 0 अनपेड इलेक्ट्रॉन आहे, म्हणून सेकंड जे असेल ते पहिल्याचं रेझोनन्स स्ट्रक्चर नाही. नेक्स्ट वन इज फोर्थ, all the forms must be bona fide, means Levy structure. The carbon can never be shown with 5 bonds. Same is true for oxygen and nitrogen. Simple example is methyl alcohol. Lone pair of electron present on this oxygen atom is shifted towards single bond, means we get carbon oxygen double bond. Then valency of carbon atom is 5 here and valency of oxygen atom is 3. This structure is not correct. This is because of this methyl carbon has 5 covalent bonds, which is not possible. Next rule is in writing resonance form we can move only electrons. The relative position of atoms must remain same in all resonance structures. In first structure, one of the carbon atom is partially positive. In second structure, lone pair of electron is shifted towards single bond, means we get second structure. But in structure first, one of the hydrogen atom is shifted towards carbocation, then we get structure third. This structure third is not correct. This is because of structure 1 and 2 are resonance forms, but 3 is not, because in writing structure third, position of hydrogen atom is changed. Next point, if more the number of equivalent resonance structures, more is the stability of a resonance hybrid. Simple example is benzene. Structure first, second and third. Delocalization of electrons. In unsaturated system via pi bonds we get Three structures. Structure first and second are equivalent, and therefore their contribution to the resonance hybrid is more than any other resonance structure. Next rule is seventh rule. Structures which involve charge separation make less contribution to the resonance hybrid than those structures which do not involve charge separation. In structure first, this is the example, means 1,3-butadiene. This is conjugated compound. Delocalization of electron is possible. The double bond is shifted towards single bond, and then this double bond is shifted towards carbon atom. One carbon atom is negatively charged, another carbon atom is positively charged, and in between two CH group, CH forms double bond. In second structure, then structure third, then structure fourth. Structure second, third and fourth are less stable due to separation of charges, and structure first is a more stable structure as it does not involve any charge separation, and its contribution to the resonance hybrid is more. The next rule is those structure in which negative charge is present on more electronegative element are more stable. Simple example is this carbanion. And carbanion, less stable carbanion, and then this is delocalized, means negative charge is shifted towards double bond, and then carbon oxygen double bond is shifted towards oxygen atom, means carbon atom means carbon CH2 and carbon formation of double bond, and then oxygen is negatively charged. Structure second is more stable than structure first because in structure second the negative charge is present on more electronegative oxygen atom. And in last rule is structures which contain distorted bond angle and bond length are less stable. First structure is Kekulé structure of benzene, second structure is Dewar structure of benzene, but in structure second C1 and C2, thank you.